That's the first and that's the lower.
Just push it a little harder.
Just push the.
Give it a little more.
Okay.
Wait.
Push the top.
Just hit the domino.
It's getting well.
Push the domino.
One,
Oh,
two,
neat.
one.
That'll cause it fall. Yeah, pull it and it'll go through.
He needs to demonstrate this.
Awesome.
And there you
So how this machine works is we use sound energy to have the phone vibrate to slide down this inclined plane to hit the domino. The domino hits another domino. Where's the other domino?
It's on the floor.
by your dad's foot.
Oh, this one.
Oh, that went very far. It shows a third-class labor by fulcrum, effort, load. Effort's a nil. It hits a ball, causing it to roll down this ramp, hitting 3 first-class levers, knocking this ball off a wedge, causing it to slide down and hit this switch, which shows Newton's second law. Actually, third law, because the generator is pushing back on the ball, so the ball doesn't fall through the generator. Inside the generator, it uses chemical energy to convert the lithium-ion batteries into electricity, activating this light bulb, which emits thermal and radiant energy, causing this solar-powered car to start moving, causing all these dominoes to start falling. And these dominoes show Newton's first law. Our domino is at rest until it is acted upon by an outside force, or in this case, the previous domino. This final domino knocks down this ball, causing a pulley to lift up a second-class lever. It's a second-class lever because the load, the ball, is in the middle of the cardboard tube. This causes the ball to fall into the car, causing it to break free of the magnetic energy and roll down, pulling this pulley, which pulls this first-class lever, causing a ball to start rolling into a screw. It follows a middle screw, landing on a first-class lever, causing this cup to launch, and water spills inside the. And water strategically moves into the water pot. And also the ball hanging to the car, which has a wheel and axle, shows Newton's second law. Force equals mass times acceleration. Is there anything I missed?
I'm impressed.
Where is the wedge? I missed it.
Where's what?
The wedge.
Oh, there's a wedge here. There's also 2 wedges keeping the cardboard tube in place.
Compact.
I didn't hear you actually state Newton's third law, so can you go ahead and state that for us, please? You remember it? Newton's third law?
For every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction.
Yes, good job.
And then the one energy that's in your whole Rube and anything that moves is
Mechanical energy.
very good. Very nice.
How many steps have we counted?
Okay.
He also, all these, when incline plane, this lever, these ramps, this our incline plane, and this pulley are, not the pulley, but the structure holding the pulley is handmade.
Show me your set of first-class levers here again. You had 3 back to back.
Yes.
That, to me,
That's incredible.
That's cool.
Yeah, that is very
So
cool.
cool.
demonstration of. I like that, that's a cool toy.
You ought to sell that.
You could probably put another thing here, and put another first class lever, another 4 first class levers.
You had
Awesome
energy
job.
moving up.
Very good.
And energy moving up through not only these pulleys, but also this incline plane.
Yes, the
And the
dominoes.
reason why we have these dominoes taped together is because if we just have this domino here, it'll just fall down.
But you have
With
to-
this, while it does require more force to fall over, it is able to stay at higher surfaces.
Wow.
Is there anything else? Any questions?
How many steps did you count?
You said 11.
Well, first step is phone sliding down the incline plane. Second step is dominoes falling, knocking a ball off. Third step is the 3 first class levers. And the fourth step, it's a switch.
Yep.
This step causes the light bulb to turn on.
I got 19 also.
He's combined some of the
Oh.
stuff.
I got 21.
Well, 21 sounds much better today.
21.
Because you had to bend over and pick up that one that fell, so it is.
And the water had to seep into the.
That's right. Right. Very good.
Amazing job.
Plus typically, the third-class levers, every one of them
First
is a
class,
step. I mean, the
yes.
first-class levers.
Those were 3
Every
right
one
there.
of them, that's 3 steps right there.
Well, I like it because they're each operating, they each operate one in a different plane.
Right, look at that.
Very cool.
Is this your
And he
table?
built, he and his dad built everything, all the ramps they built. They built all of it, so.
Yes,
Yeah.
very comfortable. You'll put it in the suitcase and take it to the next day.
Did the water wheel work for anything?
Oh, that
No.
that was just
Okay.
direction support.
Just curious. I didn't remember seeing it, but it was cool.
That's in the director's.
Thank you.
Excellent job.
Great job.
Very good.
Really good.